Hello everybody, welcome to this video for Domino 1. We're working in Flow for this particular video and we're going to be looking at inserting a Vimeo video using embed code. And what we have set up here is just a simple Flow project that's one module, one learning object with one page, and we're going to go ahead and insert that embed video onto this particular page. So I will go ahead and just jump right in. We'll click Insert, then we'll select Video, select Embed Video, and then I will zoom back out. You will be asked to select a section that you want to add to the screens or to the page, since we don't already have a section on the page. And I'll go ahead and select one single column. It gives us a framework, a template to work in here. But what's really important is all the way over here on the right, we have the embedded video properties flyout window on the right. And this is where we are going to be pasting our embed code from Vimeo. So let's jump over to Vimeo real quick. I have an old idiotic episode loaded up in Vimeo here, and what you want to do is click the share button that is right down here. It looks like the little paper airplane, and go down to the very bottom and you want to select the embed code. And all you have to do is click on it once and it will automatically select all of it. But one thing I will tell you that's a good tip is to click on this show options here and deselect anything that's over here in the special stuff area, just so you get a nice clean video only embedded. You can add text underneath it and all that kind of stuff later. Keep the default size. Make sure that you keep fixed size selected. This particular spot is a gotcha. There is this other option here if you're working in Flow, you might think, oh, there's a responsive version. Let's go ahead and click on that and get the responsive code in order to make it responsive inside of Flow. Well, inside of Flow, you don't have to worry about it. What we really need to make it work responsively inside of Flow is to use the fixed size. And then we let Domino Flow do all of the rest of the work. So go ahead and just leave the settings, but deselect all of the check boxes. And then come over here and you give a nice, simple, short iframe. You're going to do a Command C if you're on a Mac or whatever your quick strokes are on Windows. And then we're going to jump back over to Domino and paste that code in. There we go. And I always like to click on the Verify button. We'll zoom out. Looks really nice here. It definitely found the video and knows that it can see it. And it's also taken its cues from that sizing and put it in here into these boxes that looked like you might need to add that in yourself, but you don't. Just click Verify. It'll find that sizing when it reaches out to it and knows that the video actually exists and the link works and all of that. Then go ahead and click Create down at the bottom right, and it will automatically drop that video right into the screen. Now, you probably have your own design sensibilities as far as how you want to have this video display on the screen, but it looks kind of silly having it, left justified like this. So before I let you go and end this video, I'm just going to center it real quick. I also want to go over here to Section and make the height be 100%, and then I want to align it in the center. I just like how that looks, and we will do that before we click this preview. And now we will click Preview and say Current Page. Now we've got this preview window open. It looks fantastic. Our video is in the center. If we click through these different screen sizes, you'll notice that the video doesn't actually change as the sizes change until we hit here. Now we can see the video shrink down nicely, and then we can go back and watch it shrink back up and adjust to the size of the viewport. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, let us know at community.domino.com.